Hello. So if you guys don't know, I uploaded a DIY beaded choker video Wednesday at 1 o'clock, I think. Anyway, a few hours later at like 5, I get an email saying my video was removed. I did something that was against the YouTube community guidelines, and I was like, what the heck did I do? Then I was like, wait, the angle I used was not good. I guess that's the reason why, because I was sitting on the ground and I was wearing kind of short shorts, but you like couldn't see my underwear or anything, so. But now I'm sitting at a desk. Anyway, that's really dumb because some people post really inappropriate stuff on YouTube and those don't get taken down, but that gets taken down. It said it was inappropriate content. I didn't even do anything. So I'm remaking the video about 10 minutes after I get the email. Some of you asked in the comments of my vlog if I could make a DIY bead choker video, and I was like, sure, let's do it, yay. Here's one choker I have from Elle Delaney, shout out to her in the description. Some bracelets I've already made is this one, and these two. So the choker I'm going to be making today is like this bracelet, except it's a choker. Anyway, let's get started. Supplies you need are obviously beads. I have 4 different colors of beads in different containers. This one's a mix of white and clear, blue, pink, and a mix of black, clear, and white. Another thing you'll be needing is some clear stretch cord string. I got this one from Walmart. Those things will be in the description. I might not be able to find the exact beads, so I'm just gonna put stuff like the beads. So what you need, so I have a little pop socket thing I'm gonna use. I usually use my phone pop socket, but since my phone is recording, I can't. And I also have candy to snack on. So first thing you're gonna wanna do before you make the beads is figure out what pattern you wanna do. You can look up some super cute choker ideas online. So you're gonna take your clear string or whatever, pop sockets here, string here. So you're gonna wrap it around the pop socket once, where one is going out one side and one is going out the other, and you just pop it in like that. Now you're just gonna put the cord up and keep it longer than you think you would need it because it's a lot easier to tie that way. So obviously what you wanna do now is take out the beads you want. I like putting mine on the lid because it's easier to like pick them out. So now what you obviously do is just do the pattern and repeat them over and over, and as you go and you think it's big enough, you can like put it on your neck or your wrist to check if it's good. If it's not, keep on going. If it's too big, just take some off. Just check it till you know you've gotten the right size. Time lapse time. Okay, so I just got finished. I used about 84 beads, I think, whatever 7 times 12 is. So you're gonna unpop your pop socket, unwrap the string, and take the choker, put it on your neck. I think I might want to add some more. Don't break, please don't break. Okay, that is pretty tight, darn tight. I'm gonna cut a tiny bit off. So I couldn't figure out how to tie my choker, and I tried cutting it to see if I would still have enough room to put more beads on. Did not work out, so I had to redo the whole entire choker. That's how you feel, kids. Done. That took an extra 10 minutes. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the choker and we are going to tie it 5 times. 3, 5. Now I'm gonna put it around my neck, and it is. Yay, I'm done! Leave some extra string just in case you need to tighten it. So here's what the choker looks like. I think it looks super cute and really good. and I really love it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of me, and give me video ideas if you want any. Bye guys!